Hi. I just thought I'd talk a little bit about my 16-inch lathe kit. Primarily, though, what I'm talking about this time around, this is the original style carriage adjustment bar, hold down bar, whatever you want to call it. And what it really amounts to is you had 3 bolts and 2 set screws. And the truth is, I just could not see how, excuse me, this was supposed to maintain good contact. One of my early videos, I talked about the wear patterns I was seeing, and it was primarily the edge of the ways. I don't know if you can see it in this video, but right near the tip of my thumb is a stripe, a scratch, whatever. And it was obvious that it was only wearing on the edge, the outer edge of the ways. So one of the things I did was get some bar. Now this is a OEM type of carriage, and I made my bars longer by roughly 5/8 of an inch, half, close enough. Anyways, my point is, I put in studs and nuts, and then I had to cut shims. When the nuts are clamped down tight, it's parallel, and the wear pattern is distributed across these bars evenly. Now, you need a shim pack. I forget exactly what I have in there, but I started with like a 10,000 thick shim, and then dropped down to 2s, and maybe there's a 3 in there, I forget. But a couple of 1,000 shims, which when the carriage loosens up, it can be removed. The thin shims can be removed, and then you can tighten things up. And I think it's been pretty satisfactory. Now this is a new bed, and you can see from the numbers here, I was trying to track the thickness of the bed and how it's going to work out. It's a little tighter in this area, which is fine, as long as the feed screw can travel it. You're all right. Now, in this particular bed, it's really loose out here on the end, but that is where the tailstock is at its limit. So it's not a big thing to worry about. But you can see the gray marks. It's and I've only slid it a few times, and I haven't put any oil on it. But you know, this is working out to be a major project, putting this thing together. Anyways, you pays your money and you takes your choice. Have a good day.